Hi everybody, I'm Christopher. The guy behind the camera, as always, is Jake the Snake, and this is Fast Lane Classic Cars, and this is a 1977 CJ5. Well, this does have a 327 small block Chevy V8. It's got a Holley 650 CFM carburetor. It's got the Borg-Warner 3-speed T150 transmission. It has got advanced adaptive headers. Oh, it's beautiful metallic blue. Look how beautiful this is. Beautiful metallic blue. It has got, obviously, it's a small lift, wouldn't you say, Jake?
Yeah, a small lift.
Small lift. It's got a nice little step here for short people like myself, or vertically challenged as we like to be called. Takamii front bucket seats. It's got a lot of big tires. Let's see, these are, what are these? Holy cow. BF Goodrich mud terrain tires. It's got a, it's got some side back storage here. Oh, very nice.
Yeah, you got a storage compartment on either side of the rear seats. And you do have a rear seat back here.
We do have a small black rear seat back there.
Yeah, full-size spare on the back, of course.
Well, it's the way it's got to be.
You also have harnesses to go with the seats, beautiful blue paint, small block Chevy, and the exhaust exits right down here.
Oh, well, there it is right there. You can't miss that.
Out each side, which is kind of cool.
Nice. Nice. Got the roll cage. It's got everything that a Jeep would need. It's got a JVC head unit. Brake lock. Wow, this is cool. This is ready to be on the trails.
Pop that hood open.
It's got a winch.
It does have a winch. It's got KC lights on the front. Got the big chrome tubular front bumper slash bash bar, which is neat. Yeah, there's that big beautiful chrome winch right there.
Let me get it like that. Whoa! There she blows.
There she blows.
That's a nice engine, isn't it?
Small block Chevy.
Gotta love a small block Chevy. You gotta love power brakes. You gotta love power steering. You just got to love it.
Can't beat it with a stick.
No, well, you shouldn't beat it with a stick. It's a Jeep with a lot of mind.
All right, you ready to start it up and take it for a spin?
Let's do it. Whisper quiet.
It is whisper quiet.
You got it? Oh, look at the coordination.
Yeah, hold that for a sec. Don't hit the roll bar.
I'm right between it.
Very nice.
Smooth as silk.
Alrighty. We're in it to win it.
There's something about driving a Jeep without doors. I said there's something about driving a Jeep without doors.
There is something about it, huh?
It's very nice. Oh, look at those two.
That's our general manager.
And the boy.
And the boy. Alrighty. I don't suppose we'll do flybys.
Well, I don't know if there's a point.
I think the people can hear it just fine, and it's not exactly going to go 200 miles an hour.
No, it's not. But hey, we can take bumps like they're not even there.
Yeah, we could drive up the mountain probably.
Hot shifting action.
Second gear.
Oh, Borg-Warner, thank you.
Nice.
What a great transmission.
And I can put my leg up the side.
Now, just be careful. Let's do everything by the book.
And rest it on the little step there.
I like the step.
It's kind of nice.
The step is for us, vertically challenged folks. Oh, I was going to do it, but I decided not to.
I mean, it's a 327. It's not like you're lacking horsepower.
We got plenty of that.
You know, compared to what this has from the factory.
Oh, yeah, that's 304.
It's like a Tesla.
It really is. It's whisper quiet.
Yeah, you can barely hear it. It's fun though.
Oh, I can see this being a whole lot of fun.
Oh yeah.
Like a whole mess of Messerschmitts. He'll wait. I'll way bigger.
Oh God. Around the roundabout.
He's taking it like a champion.
Third gear. Heck yeah.
Wow, it just wants to go. Boy, it's something though. Do you like Jeeps?
I do like the wind in my hair.
I do.
And your beard.
Oh, I can feel it flowing.
Now, you have two-wheel drive in this, which is nice. We have it in two-wheel drive right now.
Oh, thank God.
There's the horn.
There's the horn.
Very nice. We got Pioneer speakers. We do have a radio.
Ah, yes.
Although you'd have to turn it up pretty loud in order to hear it.
Yes. It's not built for quiet.
Yeah, it's not really quiet, no.
But it is pretty cool.
Yeah, it's fun.
And this is a perfect day for it.
Yeah.
And, you know, I like these seats.
There's a reason why we waited for it to be sunny and warm.
Yes, and this is a great reason.
Yeah.
We're doing lots of videos today.
The seats are actually really comfy.
Surprisingly, this ride isn't killing me. It is very comfy.
It's not bad at all.
I mean, for what it is, though. For what it is, you know.
Power brakes are nice to have.
They're very nice and something this big. And
you'll have to take turns pretty slow.
Oh, yeah. Don't worry, Jake. We're not going to lose anybody. Here we go.
This isn't a Corvette.
No.
But they both have V8s, so they got that.
You know, that's something.
And unlike the new Corvette, you can get this in a manual.
Yes, that's true. And you can drive it in snow and mud.
Yeah. You could drive it literally anywhere. I think you could get...
Boy, look at the turning radius. Did you see that?
It actually was really good.
Did you see that? Would you look at it?
All the gauges are working. We got great oil pressure. Temperature's all right. Voltage. We got all the lights down there, it looks like. On some switches. Very nice.
Very hot shifting action.
Hot shifting action.
Wow.
I feel like we should be driving it in that ditch over there.
We could.
Don't do it though.
You ready?
No.
I'm not either. We'd have to change our pants collectively. Gee, what are we doing here? Is he turning? Hot shifting action.
It's actually geared pretty good.
It isn't bad. It is not bad at all.
It's not screaming.
It's not yelling at us. But I mean, it is yelling at us in a great way.
Very nice. Hot shifting action.
Hot downshifting action.
Good brakes.
Making the turn rather good. Hard to miss us.
Whisper quiet.
Mm-hmm. Just like a Tesla.
You could sneak home late at night and your neighbors wouldn't even care.
Your neighbors wouldn't even hear you. Hit that bump head on. Doesn't matter.
No.
Did you feel that? I didn't feel it. You want to park it over there by that beauty?
Sounds
look,
good to me.
Another one.
Yeah, we have another Jeep to do today. Another lifted Jeep.
Well, why
this
not?
one's a 77. That one's a 79.
Yep, that's a CJ7. This is CJ5, but clearly way different motors.
Yeah, well, that one's got a small block too.
It sure does. 350.
350.
Not the original 3. It is a 304, right?
But, you know, a 327 is definitely an upgrade from the AMC.
God,
yeah, I believe 304.
It was,
And I
yeah.
think you could also get an inline 6.
Oh yeah, which was also a strong motor.
But not as strong as this nice horn.
Thank you.
And you know, the rest of the drivetrain's just fine from back then. So.
Oh yeah, absolutely. It's a Jeep. I mean, come on.
And
got a few Jeeps
you'll
here.
definitely know if it's running or not.
You'll
be able to hear
miss.
it.
It's hard
Yeah.
to miss. It's hard to miss a thing. Look,
Pretty
it's
good though. It
blue.
drove well.
It really did. I expected to walk more. It didn't.
No,
So,
it actually went in a straight line pretty good.
which is something that happens at Jeeps.
Yeah.
I like it. It's
They
Jeep
tend
stuff.
to wander.
They do. They're wanderers. They can go anywhere they want.
They're very
pretty,
nomadic in that way.
They're pretty proud of it.
Yeah.
But this doesn't have those ducks on the dash.
No, there's no ducks on the dashboard. In
So
fact,
you
I
could
haven't
buy
even
it.
really shown the dash here.
You could buy it. and
There's
they
the
have
dash.
ducks,
You got all the original gauges down there and some extra Sun Pro gauges right there.
which is good.
There's your radio covered up with plastic in case you go mudding. And then you have your buttons for all your KC lights down there. Shifter, fan, everything right there. And then your big Jeep steering wheel, which looks
Yes.
original.
With tilty.
Oh, it's got tilt.
I know you didn't expect that, did you?
Basically
It's got power windows too. Wait,
Basically, power windows. Goodness gracious.
I'm like a mime.
Yeah, let me roll it up real quick. All right.
Hold on. That was
There
a
you
good
go.
one.
Thank you.
All right.
All right, we'll see you guys in the next one.